Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of ectopic kidney, and in this case, the kidney has a stone in the proximal portion of the ureter. The right kidney in this case is ectopic kidney, ectopically placed in the abdominal cavity in the right iliac fossa. You can see the right kidney is not visible in its normal anatomical place in the right renal angle. Now this is the left kidney, and it shows slightly mild compensatory hypertrophy. If one kidney is small in size, the other kidney may show compensatory hypertrophy, as the ectopic kidneys are usually smaller in size as compared to the normally placed kidneys. In this case, this kidney measures, left kidney measures 11.4 cm into 5.7 cm with cortical thickness of about 12.1 millimeter. Now you will see this is the urinary bladder, and it is echo-mecho-normal. No stone or sign of obstruction is seen in the urinary bladder. During normal embryological development, there is cephalic migration of kidneys to their normal retroperitoneal location, and an ectopic location is a result of arrested migration. The kidney during its normal ascent has multiple aortoiliac branches, which degenerates when the kidney reaches its normal location. Now you can see the right kidney, and it is seen in the right iliac fossa, and you can see it looks slightly smaller in size as compared to the left kidney. And now you can see a stone in the proximal portion of the right ureter. This kidney shows a stone in the ureter, and it is smaller in size as compared to the left kidney. An ectopic kidney doesn't cause health problems or complications and may work normally. An ectopic kidney is a birth defect in which kidneys are located in an abnormal position. In most cases, people with an ectopic kidney have no complaints. In other cases, ectopic kidney may create urinary problems such as urinary blockage, infection, or urinary stones. Ectopic kidney or renal ectopia describes the kidney that isn't located in its usual position. Ectopic kidneys are thought to occur in about 1 out of 900 births, but only about 1 out of 10 of these are ever diagnosed. They may be found while treating other conditions. Now you can see this kidney measures, the size of this kidney is smaller as compared to the normally placed kidney, left kidney, and you can see a stone in the proximal portion of the ureter, right ureter. In some people who were born with a single kidney or had a kidney removed during childhood, there is chance of some slight loss in kidney functions later in life. Most people with one kidney live healthy, normal lives with few problems. In other words, one healthy kidney can work as well as two. Now you can see a stone, and this stone measures about 8.6 millimeter and is seen in the proximal portion of the upper portion of the right ureter. Again, you can see this measurement, it is 9.1 millimeter. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.